Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about the spoilers for the November Ice Cream Beauty Bag and the November Ice Cream Beauty Box. I am so excited to share these spoilers with you, girl. They are some good spoilers. So if you like my spoiler videos, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. We do spoilers, unboxings, makeup reviews, nails. I'm about to start vlogging, so my channel is just like a little bit of everything. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into some spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty Bag for November. So, of course, girl, you know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is a palette from Muse, and you're going to get one or the other. So the first palette is going to be the Forest palette. So this palette has some reds, yellows, black, some light pinks, some light greens, and some oranges in it. It's very beautiful. I love this palette. This one is gorgeous. Or you're going to be receiving the Jungle palette from Muse. So in the Jungle palette, you're going to get some yellows, you're going to get a couple blues, you're going to get a hot pink, a light pink, some different greens, white, and that purple shade is gorgeous. I love that purple shade. That's my favorite color. But yeah, I absolutely love that purple shade. I would definitely want to get the Jungle palette instead of the Forest palette. I just feel like for me personally, the Jungle palette, I would prefer that one over the Forest, but they're both really beautiful palettes. So the second spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Bag is going to be a highlighter from the Balm. I love highlighters. I'm not really picky about the shade of highlighter that I get either. I like all different shades of highlighters, so I'm always here for a highlighter. So the third and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Bag is going to be a lip crayon by the Floss. Now, it doesn't specify what color, but if it is this red color, that's a nice fall time color. It doesn't look like it's a bright red. It looks like it's a bit deeper. So I could definitely see where that would be a great fall time color. Okay, so up next is the Ice Cream Beauty Box for November. So our first spoiler, you know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. So this is a palette from Lash Step. And this is the Matte About You palette. That is such a cute name. I love that. So in this palette, you're getting 12 pans of all mattes, which is really nice. So you're going to get a white, a black, oranges, tans, browns. You're getting a good variety. This is going to be a great palette. You can use it as your transition palette. I love having a good all matte palette. It's definitely a fall time matte palette, and I'm here for it. I love it. I cannot wait to get that palette. So our second spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be a Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush. That's a tongue twister. But yes, we are getting a blush brush. So that's really nice. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes. I don't know, I already have so many brushes, so I really don't buy myself brushes too often. So I think that's why I like to receive brushes. Like the brushes that I use on a regular basis have all came out of subscription boxes. So I'm always here to get new brushes and try them out. I love having extra brushes. And then for our third spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box, we're going to be getting a blush. So this is from Babe Beauty, and it looks like a beautiful blush. Ice Cream didn't specify if this is the color that we're getting or not, but if this is the shade that we get, it looks like a really nice fall time shade. So I can't wait to see what it's like. I always love trying new blushes. So for our fourth spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be the Illuminati Cosmetics Lip Gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl, so I love getting lip gloss. I use lip gloss every single day. I love lip glosses. I'll put lip gloss on just by itself, even if I don't have any makeup on, just because my lips do tend to stay dry. So I do try to wear a lip gloss. And our last and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be from Joyce Bonella Cosmetics, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I've never tried anything from this brand before, and this is a setting spray. I absolutely love to get setting sprays in subscription boxes. Even if you don't like the setting spray for your face, you can always use it for your brushes when you're using shimmers or anything like that. So I'm here for the setting spray, and this packaging is actually pretty different looking. It's silver. It almost looks like a flat bullet. It's pretty cool looking. I like it. I absolutely cannot wait to get my ice cream beauty box in so I can try everything in the box. So definitely stay tuned for the unboxing and try on, because I always do an unboxing and try on every single month just to try out the products in the box and see what they're like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!